clutch. Pin in that throttle. I have been known to blow it up.
It is steep. And of course the camera does no justice to it whatsoever.
No, it looks flattish.
I'm glad we got the plastic.
All right, Joe. The approach was good, and I wimped out right at the end. So good start, just like that last one. Keep it in all the way up. Oh shoot! Alright,
We're getting it right now.
Alright, let's go right to the hill, he says. There it is. Here we go. I am pumped on that. 2 days out of here working on that hill. All I needed was a little rain and snow to tacky this dirt up. Dirt is awesome, as you can see. It's like just, it's like dream dirt. That right there made this whole thing worth it, coming out here today. I've been feeling so defeated by that thing. Yeah, she got a little hot. Usually that downshift in the first right there. And I missed my downshift. That was stupid. All right, one more try and I'm done. Last one.